Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a game-changing trick in Figma how to clip contents to a frame. If you've ever wanted to neatly crop or hide parts of your designs without deleting anything, or you're looking for that extra level of control over your flows and layouts, you're in for a treat. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use Figma's clip content feature so your mockups stay organized and professional looking every single time. Alright, let's dive right in. Imagine you're working with a ready-made flow. Maybe it's a user flow or a series of UI elements you need to arrange within a frame. The first thing you'll do is select all of those elements. You can do this quickly by holding down Shift and clicking each element, or simply dragging your cursor around everything you want to include. It's important to grab everything you want displayed inside that frame because anything outside the frame's borders when clipping is turned on will be hidden automatically. Think of the frame like a picture window. It decides what parts of your scene show and what gets cropped out. Next, let's move these selected elements just outside the boundaries of the frame for a moment. You can drag them so they're floating a bit beyond the edge. The reason we do this is so you can clearly see what's happening when we start clipping and unclipping the frame. It's a little like setting up a before and after. You'll be able to see the difference immediately. Don't worry if it feels a bit odd to move things out of place. You're about to gain much more control over what's visible in your design. Now let's say you want to hide or reveal specific parts of your flow element, but you don't want to permanently delete or mask things. That's where clipping comes in handy. You might use this, for example, when you're designing a component that only needs to show a part of a bigger artwork, or maybe you want to keep your artboard tidy without actually removing each overflow piece. This is a helpful trick for designers working on dashboards, scrollable lists, or any UI that changes what's visible depending on context. Once your elements are in position, partly spilling out of the frame, just to make the effect clear, click on the frame itself so it's selected. You'll notice in the right-hand panel there's a section called Layout. If you peek in there, you'll see an option labeled Clip Content. This is the magic button. When you check that box, instantly anything falling outside the frame's borders disappears from view. The elements aren't deleted, they're just visually cropped to fit inside the frame. This lets you experiment, rearrange, or even animate different states without worrying about messing up the rest of your design. If at any point you want to see the full elements again, maybe to make adjustments or realign things, simply uncheck the Clip Content box. Everything will pop back into view right where you left it. It's a totally non-destructive workflow which gives you flexibility and peace of mind as you experiment. And that's really all there is to it. Using clip content in Figma is a convenient way to control what shows up inside your frames, keeping your designs sharp, your workspace clean, and your components flexible. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are other Figma features you'd like me to cover. And make sure you subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials that will level up your design skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.